Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic. What does that? What the hell does that mean? Vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and
I didn't understand a word you said.
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest.
Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Smells like weighted, smelly good carpenter.
Let's do another game.
I want to blow this up on Instagram.
I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know? I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know?
You ready to play them? Because it's just like,
can you please say the whole thing?
I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.